Hi everyone, we're going to find the limit using L'Hopital's rule. We have the limit as x approaches 0 from the right of x to the power of square root of x. This has the form 0 to the 0 power. And so what we're going to do is rewrite our equation. We're going to set y equal x to the power of square root of x, and then take the natural log of both sides of the equation. Oops, this goes in here. And then use your power rule and move this in front. So basically I'm going to simplify this as square root of x times ln of x. Now when you write your limits, we're going to write the limit as x approaches 0 from the right of ln of y equals the limit as x approaches 0 from the right of square root of x times ln of x. Now, dealing with just this side now, this is going to simplify to the limit as x approaches 0 from the right of ln of x divided by x to the negative 1/2 power. Now we know we have the form of infinity divided by infinity for our indeterminate form. So to do that, we're going to go ahead and use our L'Hopital's rule and differentiate the numerator and the denominator. So to do that, we're going to use L'Hopital's rule and take the limit as x approaches 0 from the right. The derivative of ln of x is 1 divided by x. And the derivative of x to negative 1/2 power is going to be negative 1/2 x times x to negative 3/2 power. Now, let's just simplify this. I can move this x, let's do blue, down in the denominator, and I can move this 2 up here. So this is going to equal the limit as x approaches 0 from the right. I'm going to have negative 2. And when I move this x down, I'm going to have x times x to the negative 3/2 power. All right, so this is going to give me equals the limit as x approaches 0 from the right. I'm going to go ahead and move the negative 2 in front here. And this part right here is going to be x to the 2/2 power minus 3/2 power. So the denominator is going to end up being x to negative 1/2 power for the denominator. So we're going to have this equals 1 divided by x to the negative 1/2 power. If you move it up here, you're going to get x to the 1/2 power, which is the square root of x. All right. Now, when you take this limit, you're going to get 0. All right. So that is this limit here. All right, this is the limit given here. All right, which is the limit of ln of y. All right. So we know that the limit of, let's write this down. The limit as x approaches 0 from the right of ln of y equals 0. We also know that y equals x times square root of x. Right, so when you look at this, we want to take the limit as x approaches 0 from the right of x square root of x. So to do that, we're going to write the limit as x approaches 0 from the right, and we need ln of y, because we know that ln of y is 0. And this is your y, but all we know is ln of y. So the way I can write this is e to the power of ln of y, because e to the power of ln of y just equals y. All right, so if I write it this way, and I already know the answer to ln of y, I can finally evaluate this and write this as e to the 0 power, because ln of y equals 0, and this equals 1. So that is your limit in the answer to the question. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.